Today we are going to study network analysis metrics, and we are going to understand what is meant by organic reach. So let's start with the organic reach. Organic reach is nowadays becoming a big challenge for the social media analytics, but it still has a lot of importance. Why? Because we are just posting the content, then we can apply different techniques so that our video will be reaching very high. But if we think of the organic growth, it also means that if a person is searching for the content and if the person is getting the right content, then the person will click on the video, person will watch the video, and then the person may recommend it to other people. So this organic reach still has a lot of value in the social media. It counts how many people will naturally hit the post without paying any money. That means what? Nowadays we can actually increase our growth by paying some money to the organizations, or we can do different techniques with which we can actually rank our videos higher. But organic reach means we are not doing any extra thing. Based on the content the person is reaching to our video. So this organic growth is still has a lot of importance because this is directly related to the social media algorithms, and this criteria determine whether the particular content is relevant and will be delivered to specific users. So depending upon the reactions which the specific user do, then this particular content will be suggested to other people in the network who will be searching for the same information. So each social network has its algorithm, like we have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, websites, then WhatsApp. So all these different networks, they have their own algorithm and own way of calculating how popular the post is. So initially they may suggest the post to 15-20 people in the group, and based on their reactions, then the content will be posted to other people. So we need to take into account when producing and delivering content, primarily as social media offers post organically to their entire base, and we need to create new and shareable posts. The more the content is new and shareable, then it will reach to audience very well. So this is called the organic growth of the channel or the post or the video. Now let's see what is the meaning of bounce rate. So bounce rate, it is the percentage of users who have logged in into the page, but they also apply the number of people who are blocking our content, because automatically when a person looks into the content or subscribe to the channel, then any other new video will be given as a suggestion. So if the person immediately close it, or if they don't want watch the video, so it also means that the content is no longer relevant. So based on the bounce rate, based on people closing the content immediately or switching to another page or reporting the content as spam, like we are getting calls or we are getting messages. So if we block it or report it as spam, then also the bounce rate increases, especially applicable for the Facebook fan page. So this metric is important because it shows how many people are rejecting the content and are bothered by the social media post of your website landing page. So if this is happening too often, then automatically the YouTube algorithm or Insta algorithm will reduce the content. It will not show it to others. But if the content is liked by others, then it will be appearing to the different users in their suggestions. Now comes the click-through rate. So click-through rate, it is also useful metrics for observing how well the post is performing. So how many people see the first page and they click on the content. So the content click is the first step in the social media to understand the person's liking or disliking. So click-through rate, look at the number of clicks your post received and divided by the number of impressions. So